Hi Amazon sellers and future Amazon sellers, my name's Brett with ALGO Online Retail. I've been selling Amazon for over 16 years, and over the course of 16 years, a lot of people ask me how do I get my products into the Amazon warehouse? Well, today I'm going to reveal to you exactly how you can do it, and it's a very simple and easy process. But first, let's talk about why you want to get your products into the Amazon warehouse. One of the great benefits of using Amazon is they have a program called Fulfilled by Amazon, or FBA. With Fulfilled by Amazon, you send your products on Amazon, and whenever a customer places an order, they ship it out straight to the customer. They take care of the shipping for you. If a customer calls up and has a question, they answer those questions. And also too, customers will get free 1 to 2 day shipping if they're a Prime member, which means you're going to make more sales because customers love getting their products faster. But the benefit I love about Fulfilled by Amazon is this automates your business. This means that you can make money while you're sleeping, on the beach, or doing the things that you love. So now let's talk about how to get your products into the Amazon warehouse, where the first step is you have to list your product for sale and set your price. Once you've done that, the second step is Amazon wants to know where the inventory is coming from. So you put in your supplier's address. What's cool is once you put your supplier's address in, Amazon saves it so you don't have to re-enter it in again and again in the future. It saves it in there for future use. So you keep reordering from your supplier. Then the third step is Amazon's going to ask you details about the shipment. How much does it weigh? What's the size of the box? And how many units are in the box? That simple. You put that in. Then the next question Amazon asks you for the next step is it LTL or is it SPD? Now this is what confuses a lot of people, so let me explain what those are. LTL is less than truckload. This means you're sending in by the pallet. SPD is small parcel delivery. This means you're sending in by boxes. Generally, if you're placing small orders to medium-sized orders, most suppliers are going to send it by boxes, which is SPD. If you're placing large orders and buying lots of product, usually your supplier is going to ship it in by the pallet, so you have to ask your supplier which method are they using. Select that option, then the very last step is you print your label. When you print it, it downloads a PDF of it, and you just email it over to your supplier. All your supplier has to do is slap that label on the box, and then UPS will come and pick it up. Most suppliers have UPS coming and picking it up on a daily basis, but if for some reason your supplier isn't having the UPS come, all I have to do is make a quick call to UPS, and UPS will come and pick it up in your behalf. Now, if it's being sent in by a pallet, Amazon will actually send their own truck to come pick up that pallet and take it to the warehouse. So pretty much this whole process is automated for you to make it very simple and easy for you to have success and build your Amazon business. Now, if you want to build an Amazon business, I'm doing a free webinar. All you have to do is just click on that link below to join. Now, just so you're aware, seating is limited. So you need to hurry and reserve your spot right now before all spots are taken. It is going to be live, so I'm going to be here to answer your questions and help you out with building a successful Amazon business. I look forward to seeing you in the webinar and hope you guys have a wonderful day and look forward to helping you have great success.